Dashing through the snow in a big F-150 sleigh. Oh, what fun it is today to bring Christmas your way. Hey, oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to deliver Christmas here today. Hey. My camera, her. What is your name? Remy. This is your first Christmas? Cool.
Why did you want a tree?
You like the tree?
Here, Whitey.
No, why you wanted the tree?
Screw these ones.
So Santa could put something under put the Christmas presents there. Is that where he puts them?
He's got to know where to put them, right? Hey, do you know any Christmas carols? Do you know any Christmas songs? Here's another one.
You know Jingle Bells, right?
Jingle Bells? You want to sing it with me? That's my favorite.
Come on.
So how's it go? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Where would you like to put it?
First dibs on here.
Yay!
Oh, yay.
There you go.
Very nice. That's awesome.
Say it again one more time louder. Say, thank you, Q104.
Thank you,
For the Christmas tree. Yay!
She's
Q104.
camera
And
shy.
Westlake. Say thank you, Westlake.
And a lot of other sponsors too. So
Thank you, everybody.
thank you.